In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Sophie's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so what we first want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to sophie.com. And now once you're here, you want to click on the menu icon, which is the top left hand corner of the page. And then we want to click on Contact Us here. So click on the Contact Us button. Now we've got a few different options how to contact their customer support. So we can click on this Chat with Sophie button. Sorry if I've mispronounced the name here. So their intelligent virtual assistant is available 24/7 to help identify, fix your problem, or connect you with an agent during working hours. Or there's a phone number you can call here, so you can give that number a call between Monday and Thursday, 5 AM to 7 PM PT time, or Friday to Sunday, 5 AM to 5 PM PT time. They've got some other numbers you can call as well. So they've got personal loan support, student loan support, home loans, invest, credit card support, at work. And yeah, they got a lot of different contact information here as well.